Hey everyone, this is Joanne Del Balso from No Fuss Accounting Services, and today I'd like to show you a quick way to be able to customize your icon menu toolbar within your QuickBooks file. This is a function that a lot of people don't really think they can adjust, or maybe they're just too lazy, or they haven't looked into it and haven't bothered to do it. The QuickBooks menu toolbar is right across the top here where you see these icons and you see the descriptions of each of the functions or sections available to be able to link to. Intuit puts a lot of defaults on here that you don't normally use on a day-to-day basis. So I like to say, let's get rid of all that clutter, remove the options that you don't want to use, and let's add the functions that are going to help us get around in our QuickBooks file faster so that we can get in and out and get out on the road and take care of our regular business functions instead of counting all these beans. So with that said, we're going to go on our menu toolbar and we're going to hit any place on here, and we're just going to use right click with our mouse and you'll see the Customize Icon bar will show up. Click on the Customize Icon bar and now you will see the different options that are reflective of these icons that show up across the top. So for example, you see user licenses is the user license that shows up to the far right, and etc. Services for services, backup for backup. Now Intuit puts these default ones on here like I said. Let's get rid of them and let's get some functional ones on there. So I'm going to remove the user licenses. I'm going to remove services. Now that I've just removed those two items, I've created some valuable real estate where we can add some functional items that we're going to use day to day. The one I always like to add is calculator. Calculator is something that normally you would have to go up to your edit menu up here, find the drop down, and then there's a use calculator button. I'll show you in a minute. With this you can hit calculator, hit OK, and it drops the calculator right there now on your toolbar. Now if you want to move it up the toolbar, say like we want to put it in front of the invoice here, we can again drag it and you see the dotted line. I'm just left clicking my mouse button. I'm going to drag it up and put it just before the invoice, and there my calculator just dropped just before my invoice. I'm going to hit OK to save it. So now you'll see if you're in your edit bills function and you needed to use a calculator, you can click right here. The calculator will automatically show up. Now this is beneficial than having to go to find your edit button, drag down, use calculator. See, so it was like you've just saved yourself a couple of extra steps by just adding that icon to your toolbar. Hope this tip helped you out. Check my tips. I'm going to upload a bunch of them on YouTube. Also, I'm on Twitter. Follow me on Twitter. And I have a blog at nofussaccounting.wordpress.com. Thanks everybody. Hope you have a great day and catch you guys soon.